Hello everyone. I think you know where this is going now. The current date is Wednesday, June 5th, 2024 at 10:57 a.m. Guess what? We're back with the RWTs set for all these Wednesdays. All these Wednesdays. Always beta tests to come. Hope that calendar isn't full. Always to come. It's summer break has started again. So, what does that mean? Every Wednesday, RWT time. I'm debating on whether or not to make this. Yeah, this KJY60 is not doing so good right now. National Weather Service in Wilmington said that they're operating on low power here, so I don't hear it. I don't hear the beep beep. Seeming like it's on low power, but let's see how the propagation says. Yeah, I think they might be back up to full service, but I don't know about that. So, I'm just gonna assume that they're back, because they issued the PNS saying that they were on low power, as you can see here. But yeah, I'm not really sure about that anymore. But I do not know what is going to happen with this, because there's a day one marginal and islands kind of around the place when it comes to these severe weather risks. CLE is very sensitive with this, so I don't know if they're going to test or not. ILN is kind of up and down. It's kind of like a 50-50 if they're going to cancel the RWT or not, but we're going to find out a little later. Let me get my lights, because I have not signal that I'm under a marginal here. As you can see, it's obviously not behaving, but it'll work. Alright, marginal light is on. Now we just have to wait for this RWT to come. It's 10:59. Let's take a look at the time, the actual time here. Oh wait, I don't need that website. 2, 1. Alright, it's 11 now. Oh, I see what they mean by low power. It's extremely quiet. I see what they mean. Yeah, it's extremely quiet. Are you gonna look at that or are you not? Are you gonna work like this or no? No, okay. Or do you wanna wait?
Following the All Hazards Weather Radio transmitter, KJ168 in Chillicothe, Ohio, or frequency 162.500 megahertz is currently broadcasting in low power. We hope to return the transmitter to full power broadcast soon. We apologize for any inconvenience. Now looking at the weather patterns affecting the Southern Great Lakes and Ohio. Showers and thunderstorms will occur today and crossing east through the region tonight with drier sound. However, cold air will be combined with daytime heat to produce better showers.
Do you want to work or not?
This is no
We can do this one way or another.
KJ168, Chillicothe.
Better work like that. Goodbye.
West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of breeze 100%. Thursday, mostly sunny. 20% of showers.
Now we just wait.
West cloudy 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. 40% chance of rain.
When the hell did this happen? I never got this notification. I never saw any storms coming in either. Pickram Duke and Rochester. Oh, okay, that's the. Which one? Oh. Welcome back.
Potentially dangerous weather situations. Specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Champaign, Clark, Delaware, Fairfield, Fayette, Franklin, Greene, Hocking, Knox, Licking, Madison, Marion, Morrow, Muskingum, Perry, Pickaway, and Union. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station KIG, 86 Columbus, Ohio. Now here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio.
You can leave me alone.
West of today, partly cloudy. Showers and thunderstorms likely this afternoon. Highs in the mid-80s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour.
What the hell?
Chance of rain 60%. Tonight, showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Then partly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Muggy.
You're talking.
Lows in the
Yeah, you're talking. Stop it.
15 miles an hour.
Alright, KJY 68 time. Wake up.
Look for east central Indiana, southeast Indiana, northeast Kentucky, northern Kentucky, central Ohio, south central Ohio, southwest Ohio, and west central Ohio. For today and tonight.
Mickey.
Thunderstorm activity will... This is the National Weather Service office in Wilmington, Ohio. The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station KJY, 68 Chillicothe, Ohio, public warning system.
I always wonder why they did that pause in between the letters and the numbers. And the station ID KJY 68 KIG 86
Signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Fairfield, Hocking, Jackson, Pickaway, Pike, Ross, and Benton. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station KJY, 68 Chillicothe, Ohio.
Okay, bye. Really? Are you kidding me? Okay. What time is it? 11. That's what happens when you lose your WR120 cover. 11. 0, 6. Okay. Alright. Hopefully, you remain yourself. Go ahead and put KIG86 back on. Is someone still talking about KIG86? Which one are you? Oh.
Some storms may contain strong down.
I have to wait for you. I don't know if you're gonna test or not, but we'll see. Just when I ended that video, it's tested. As soon as I ended that video,
This is a test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm for
WWG57 for the Central Highlands of Ohio.
During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. On the latest weather map, a cold front...
That's it. That is the first RWT of the summer wrapped up. One down. God knows how many more to go.